You're listening to Haywaa.com. Here is the latest news. 10 reasons to see upcoming 2026 sci-fi films in theaters. 2026 brings a wave of blockbuster sci-fi movies, starting with the return of Star Wars in The Mandalorian and Grogu. Denis Villeneuve concludes the Dune series with Part 3. A thrilling reunion for the Marvel Cinematic Universe awaits with Avengers Doomsday, starring Robert Downey Jr. as Dr. Doom. Meanwhile, Steven Spielberg unveils Disclosure Day, promising a compelling narrative about extraterrestrial contact. Scientists prepare robotic explorers to assist in sending humans to Mars. Robotic and human exploration of Mars are complementary, with existing missions aiding in future plans. Scientists employ tools like decision support systems, originally designed for Earth, to address radiation risks on Mars. NASA has ongoing efforts to examine Martian space weather and explore lunar water resources. Instruments like Duster are tackling lunar dust issues to better support human missions. Asus RP-AX58, affordable Wi-Fi 6 range extender for addressing Wi-Fi dead spots. The Asus RP-AX58 Wi-Fi 6 range extender is an entry-level device offered at an affordable price of $79.99, £64.99, or $103.62 Australian dollars. It provides dual-band Wi-Fi with a respectable speed of 3.0 gigabits per second, suitable for eliminating dead spots in smaller areas like individual rooms. Although its app is considered somewhat clumsy, the device supports iMesh technology and seamlessly connects with most routers for amplified internet coverage. Key features include its compact design, 2 internal antennas, and a gigabit Ethernet port supporting a wired setup. DJI's inaugural 360-degree drone could soon take flight, with bundles ready for buyers. DJI's new 360-degree drone, the Avata 360, is set to launch with different bundles featuring additional batteries, carrying cases, and optional DJI RC2 remote controller. Leaked details suggest the most premium bundle will include DJI Goggles N3 for immersive viewing and the DJI RC Motion 3 controller. Pricing details, available in Chinese yuan, estimate the cheapest bundle at 2,988 yuan, translating to approximately $425. The drones won't be available in the US due to a DJI ban, with availability expected elsewhere soon. Moon landings, asteroid missions, and new telescopes, top spaceflight moments to anticipate in 2026. The year 2026 is poised to be a monumental one for space exploration, with a variety of missions planned. Among these are NASA's Artemis II, marking a significant journey to the moon for astronauts since the Apollo era, and the anticipated debut of commercial space stations, led by startups like VAST. China's achievements will also capture attention with their Tianwen-2 mission, aiming to collect asteroid samples, while the European Space Agency's Hera mission will investigate asteroid systems. Moreover, the upcoming launches of groundbreaking telescopes like China's Suntian and NASA's Roman telescope promise to expand our understanding of the universe. How to stream Red Eye Season 2 for free from anywhere. Detective Hannah Lee, played by Jing Lucy, finds herself entangled in a complicated political scenario in the new season of Red Eye. Partnering with former adversary Clay Brody, portrayed by Martin Compston, she has to unravel a conspiracy involving hijackings and diplomatic plots. The show can be watched for free on ITV in the UK or accessed globally using a VPN service. In Canada, it will be available on Paramount Plus around the same time as the UK release. I hope Android phones in 2026 address Apple's biggest iPhone mistake. In 2024, Apple introduced the camera control button with the iPhone 16 Pro, promising a feature that many hoped would replicate a traditional camera shutter button by allowing for half-press focusing. However, this feature did not meet expectations, as it primarily offered zoom and exposure adjustments instead of the desired shutter functionality. Samsung and other Android manufacturers are expected to potentially address this flaw by possibly introducing a true shutter button in future models. Given Samsung's history with camera phone hybrids, there is optimism that they could successfully integrate a useful camera button into upcoming devices. Samsung's latest Freestyle portable projector offers more brightness and intelligence. Samsung introduces the Freestyle Plus, its latest portable projector boasting 430 ISO lumens, double the brightness of its predecessor. The model features AI-powered enhancements, including AI OptiScreen for improved 3D auto keystone correction, real-time focus, and screen fit. This projector also supports Q Symphony to integrate with Samsung soundbars and includes wall calibration for distraction reduction. More details are expected to be revealed during its showcase at CES 2026, with a phased global release planned in the first half of the year. Starlink is reducing thousands of satellites' orbits to lessen collision risks. Starlink plans to reduce the orbits of approximately 4,400 satellites from 342 miles to 298 miles, according to Michael Nichols, VP of Engineering. This adjustment is aimed at minimizing collision risks and enhancing space safety, especially during the upcoming solar minimum anticipated in the 2030s. Lowering the orbits will significantly cut the ballistic decay time by over 80% during solar minimum, from more than 4 years to a few months. The decision follows recent satellite mishaps, including an explosion and a nearly avoided collision due to unsynchronized satellite launches by other operators. You've just heard the latest news. Thanks for listening. This is Haywaa.com.